Constants are values that cannot be changed during the execution of a program, while variables are values that can be changed during the execution of a program. Constants are declared using the const keyword, while variables are declared using the var keyword. Constants must be initialized when they are declared, while variables can be initialized later in the program. Constants can only be assigned a value once, while variables can be assigned a value multiple times. Constants have a fixed value that cannot be changed, while variables can have different values at different points in the program. Constants are typically used to represent values that are unlikely to change, such as mathematical constant or configuration values, while variables are used to present values that are likely to change, such as user input or program state. Constants are often used to improve program readability and to prevent accidental modification of important values, while variables are used to store and manipulate data in the program. Constants are typically defined at the module level, while variables can be defined at the function or block level. Constants are often used in conditional statements to make the code more readable, while variables are used to store intermediate results in calculations or loops. Constants can improve program performance by allowing the compiler to optimize code that uses them, while variables can make code more flexible and easier to modify. Constants are immutable while variables are mutable. Constants can be used as default values in function parameters while variables cannot. Constants can be used in switch statements while variables cannot. Constants can be used in class definitions while variables cannot. Constants can be used in interfaces while variables cannot. Constant can be used in attribute declarations while variables cannot. Constants can be used as keys in dictionaries or maps while variables cannot. Constants can be used as values in enums while variables cannot. Constants can be used in annotations while variables cannot. Constants are typically named using uppercase letters and underscores, while variables are typically named using lowercase letters and underscores.